You know you need to do this. You know Facebook Lives and Instagram Lives are the next best thing to sliced bread. So why aren't you doing them? It's probably because you don't know what in the devil to talk about on a Facebook Live, right? Like you're just staring at your phone, which is you, and it can kind of make you uncomfortable. So what I want to do is I want to give you 31 topics the entire month. You don't even have to think about topics so that you can rock these Facebook Lives and not sound too salesy in your Facebook Lives and let your customers fall in love with you and your products to help you grow your profitable brand. Hey, I'm Alison J. Prince. I'm so excited that you're here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that social stuff, and let's get started.
The best day of all is gonna be the best day of the week. It's gonna be the best day of our life.
I want to start off by first sharing you a review. You guys, I love your reviews. They help me to know what content you need so that I can give you information to help you grow your business. So this one came from Karen and it said, like it makes me laugh. I researched Alison trying to find out about her scam. But what I found was an honest mom who had found success in e-commerce and wanted to share her passion with others. As soon as I joined the Because I Can clan, I felt the sense of a community and a family. Alison's course taught me well and held my hand through every step. You guys, this makes me so happy. This is why I started the clan. This is why I started community, so that you don't feel alone when you're growing your business. When I started mine, I felt completely alone with nowhere to turn. And I wanted it to be completely opposite. So I'm so glad you're here because these 31 ideas is going to help you feel even more comfortable when you're talking to yourself. Just kidding. You actually talk to people, but it's kind of weird when you're holding that camera doing a Facebook Live and all you see is you. So I'm going to give you some topics to help you rock those Facebook Lives. Now, before I get started with the list, I want to share with you one thing about a Facebook Live. When you're doing a Facebook Live, do not feel bad about repeating. Let me repeat that in a different way. Repeat your stories, because Facebook Live, people are popping in and popping out. You never know when they're coming in and when they're coming off, and more than likely, they've never heard it before. Let's say you do your story and you're like, it's only 3 minutes long. Congratulations, you did it in the first place. And then second, repeat it again and tell people you're repeating it for the new people that just jumped on. The longer that you're on a Facebook or Instagram Live, the more chance people have to see you and your product. So repeat, repeat, repeat. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you the first 9. I had to think about that. I don't know why. The first 9 things, the first 9 topics, and then the rest, I've got 31 for you in an amazing PDF. You just have to click the link below and you'll get to it. Can you imagine how long this video would be if I went through all 31? Yeah, you're welcome. I put it in a pretty little PDF for you to get through. But I want to give you the first 9 on this video so you kind of know the direction that these are headed. Number 1, give a tour. Give a tour of the space that you're working in. If you're working from your home, who cares? People want to see that. There's so much excitement around homegrown businesses. Don't be afraid to share it. And don't be afraid if you've got dirty dishes in the sink. It's a Facebook Live. There's been times where like I lost my voice and I'm like, hang on, I need to go grab a drink of water. I take them into my kitchen and I'm like, oh shoot. But you know what? It's life. It happens. We all have dirty dishes. Don't be afraid of it. Now you probably don't want to be a complete slob, right? But it's life. We're humans. We have dirty dishes in our sink. Another time, Grandpa came knocking at the door. I had to go get it. I wasn't gonna leave Grandpa on the front doorstep. So I went and I introduced him to everybody that I was talking to on the Facebook Live. And then he sat down on the couch and waited for me. And then I ended my Facebook Live and I'm like, hey Grandpa, how's it going? And he said, Allison, do you really just talk to yourself for 30 minutes? So just let live be live. and enjoy it, and show them your desk space. Show them your favorite pen that you write with. People are curious about you and how you're making and growing your business. They want to know the story and they want to know the backstory. Idea number 2. Have you ever given anybody a tour of your website? I know that sounds obvious, but if you're in there and you're like, oh my gosh, did you see this? And did you see that this works with this and with this and with this? You're doing the work for them, and they're going to know how to work your site even better. Show them the About Us page. Show them the FAQ page. Show them where they can find information. And then in that time you're just communicating with them and you're talking with them and they're trusting you and your brand even more. Number 3, ask them which they prefer. So for instance, if you're selling lipstick, which I've always got lipstick with me, and you're like, hey, which lipstick should I sell? Should I sell this number 13 Sephora? That's what color it is. Or this lighter pink. And you say, you guys, which lipstick should I sell on my site? This one or this one? Help me to choose. Your customers are going to love you, because then if they're like, oh, choose this one, and you put that one up on their site, that helps them to know that you are listening to them and helping them shop better and easier online. If you are selling clothing, you can do that with clothes. Which shirt, the short sleeve or the long sleeve shirt? People love that interaction. Getting them to trust you will open up a whole new world, and they'll fall in love with you and your brand and want to buy from you. Number 4, show how you set up your Facebook Live. Have you ever jimmy rigged your camera to like hang off of hangers so you can get the right angle, or using hair ties, or over here I've got paper towel rolls that I set my phone on so that the angle's right? Show people how you set up your Facebook Live. I've been in hotels before where I'm putting all the pillows I possibly can stacked up on top of each other just to get the right angle. People love that. They want to know that you can do this wherever you are, and they don't have to have some big fancy huge production studio to do a Facebook Live. They want to see how you're doing it and how you're making things work with what you have at your house or outside, wherever you're at. Number 5, show them how you package products. Show them what you're putting in, how you tie a bow around, how you make it branded, the stickers that you put on it, the box you put it in, the bag you put it in. And if there's any stories behind it, like show them the actual process and be like, hey, here's the lipstick and I'm going to slide it in this bag. And the reason why I buy this bag is because it's padded and I want to make sure you get your lipstick without it breaking. Or if it's jewelry, or if it's clothing, whatever it is, you're showing them the process so they can be excited to receive that on the opposite end. And they've been a part of this journey with you. Number 6, brag about your customers. Talk about the community that you have built or that you are going to build. When you first get started, you don't have a community. But once you get 1 or 2 people, you can call that a community, and talk about them, especially when they leave reviews. Just say, like the one we started out with this video, thank you so much for leaving that review. Or, hey guys, I just got this review and I'm so excited to share that Karen just got her shirt and she loves it. She actually posted about it on Instagram and I want to show you what she looked like and how she posed it. And then it's helping your customers become a part of that group even more. So talk about your customers in your Facebook Lives. And then another thing about talking to your customers, take them into your Facebook page. Show them where stuff can be found on your Facebook page. Like just hold your phone and show your computer. You don't need to have split screen. You can if you want to, but like just do the little flip around with your phone and then show them the Facebook page and the community and how many people are in your group and what your goals are and your dreams are. It's just use your phone. Make it easy. Number 7, this one is so fun and I love doing this. When you get a big rush of orders or something exciting has happened in your business, show them on a Facebook Live and be like, hey guys, today I want to show you how many orders we got yesterday. We just had this big promotion and my mind is going to explode with all these orders. Come look at them. And then you can go and you can like physically like fan the stack of orders or lay out your orders or even lay out the packages all over the floor and say, look what you missed out on. You didn't get it, but these guys did, and I'm so excited. I hope your name's on this package. And it helps create excitement for the next time that you do a sell. So show them the products that they missed out on and all the orders that came in. Number 8, this is my favorite, like my favorite thing to do ever, is to get people excited about a promotion that's about to happen. Have you ever booked a trip, and booking that trip and the excitement that happens right before the trip, actually sometimes even better than the actual trip, right? That's what we want to help our customers experience. That excitement of something big that's going to happen, where they're setting their alarms, where they've got to get it before it sells out, where the discount only lasts for so long. Get them excited about it. And on a Facebook Live, be like, hey guys, the sale's going to happen in 3 days and you don't want to miss it. 3 days. Oh, and your heart's going to be so happy. Or tomorrow's the big day. Oh my gosh, tomorrow's the big day. You're not going to sleep tonight because this sale is going to blow your mind. Be there. Set your alarm. You can talk. I mean, that gives you a couple days leadway right there, right? So you can integrate that with some of the other topics. So you can talk about a topic and say, hey, remember, in 3 days, the sale's about to start. And then do your next topic. Hey, in 2 days, the sale's about to start. And the day before, that's when you say, have you guys seen how much excitement has been around this product launch? Be there. You don't want to miss out. And that is a fantastic way to get sales in, build that profitable brand. Number 9 is, let's say you have a kids brand and you're selling kids pajamas. Why don't you talk about things you can do or make with kids? So let's say you do after school snack ideas. And then the kids come home and you're like, here's after school snack that I made my kids, and look how cute their clothes are. Or, hey, they're getting there ready for bed and look how cute their pajamas are. But integrate what you do on a daily basis, like getting kids ready for bed and snack time, or after school and snack time, and somehow integrating it with what you're doing. Now, if you're like, Allison, I don't make after school snacks for my kids. I barely have time to put a bra on, let alone make some fancy snack. You guys, that's what Pinterest is for. Show them Pinterest on your phone and be like, you guys, my dream is to make these snacks one day for my kids after school, and show them like the 5 or 6 ideas that they can get. And then you can even link them down in your comments, and you can ask them what their favorite back to school treat is. And then you're creating that conversation with them, letting them into your world. And then the kids come home and you're like, oh, these are the clothes that I sell online. Or there's a way to interact and bring them into your community without having to be so salesy. Give them something in the niche that they are excited about too. Kids, have it something be kids. Let's say you have a baking company and you sell bakeware. Show them ideas on Pinterest of how they can make the perfect cake, and say, oh, by the way, this would look so cute in this cupcake liner that I sell. Or look at this. This is so cute. That'd be so cute on this cake platter. Use Pinterest to your advantage and create that conversation. You do not have to create all these products yourself, because the world of the online gods gave us Pinterest. So those are 9 of the 31. I just gave you 9. Can you imagine what the rest of the ideas are that are going to help you rock your entire Facebook Live, Instagram Live world? But here's the deal. You've got to go down, click the link below, or maybe it's above, to get that PDF to help you to get more topic ideas. 31 of them for every single day. And here's the deal. If you just hit repeat on those ideas every month, you got your whole year booked out. You're welcome. You can do this again and again because you have different people coming in and out all the time. So go get that list. Okay, now, if you like this video, I need your help. You know what? I just need your help. I need you to leave a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and share this on social. All this work and time and energy that I put in to giving you this content for free, I need you to help me share it, because I know there's people that are literally sitting on a gold mine, but they're frozen. They're too scared and they don't know what to talk about on Facebook Live. And it's your job to help get this message out. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that social stuff. And I'll send you a big, huge virtual kiss right on your face. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.